Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a simpler version of saltfish accra. Now this video, I did it previously, which was a longer version, and I know not everyone has time to go through cutting off all the vegetables and all that. So I'm making this simpler version, and I'm gonna start with my saltfish here that I shredded. Now I usually don't like it too small because I want to see some of my saltfish in my accra. Some salt. Now I did boil this twice. Now I didn't boil out all the salt, so there is salt still remaining. That's why my salt amount is so small. Here I have my green seasoning, which is my parsley, celery, chive, onion, garlic, bell peppers and pimento peppers. I have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Now I don't want to put too much baking powder because that tends to make it rise too much and absorb too much oil. Now this is optional. I just like adding a little bit of a kick to it, so I put in my curry powder. I'm gonna put in about 1 teaspoon, a teaspoon of black pepper. Here I have a cup of water and I have 2 cups of flour. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start by adding my dry ingredients. I'm gonna start with my black pepper. My salt. So I have my black pepper and my salt in there. I'm gonna go in with my curry powder, about 1/4 teaspoon. Now you can use saffron powder if you feel like it as well. My baking powder. I'm gonna give it a mix. Now that I've put in all my dry ingredients, I'm gonna go in with my saltfish. And my green seasoning blend. And mix that together. Now that that is well incorporated, I'm gonna go in gradually with my water. So this is the consistency you're looking for. Not too thick and not watery. I'm gonna let it rest, cover it with some plastic wrap, let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes before I start frying.